This is a rook, showing how intelligent they are. He's trying to open up a fat ball feeder, which is yeah, these sort of balls of seed and fat and suet and all mixed up together, and you can just see them there. And he's actually trying to take the whole feeder off the branch. It's really incredible. They're very intelligent birds. And he doesn't mind me being here because I tend to feed him. Light's a bit bad, so it's hard to see exactly what he's doing. He may just knock off a few chunks. They have very long beaks, but it's very unusual to see a bird as large as a crow feeding on a bird feeder, which is designed for small birds. It seems to be just one bird is doing it, the others are watching. No, he's going to pull the feeder off if he can. Yeah, there he goes, pulling the feeder up, trying to get it off the branch. Because it's hanging on a sort of a little wire. There he goes. Really amazing behaviour. This crow has actually knocked that feeder off several times and it's been put back up, and each time, see, he's getting the lid of the feeder open and then putting his beak in. Right. These are the feathers of a collared dove, and you can see that it must have been killed because it's lost so many feathers. It was probably attacked by a sparrowhawk. And in the garden they do get a bit complacent sometimes. But when you see a lot of feathers lying around and downy feathers are included with primary feathers, then you know that something unfortunate has happened to one of the birds. This is definitely more evidence that spring is going to start early. This is a water lily leaf coming up over the surface of the pond. And water lilies normally just stay in a sort of sleep state underneath ponds in winter. And when you see leaves like that coming up, that means they've decided that there's not going to be any more frost or ice. So it does sort of look like plants are able to predict the weather. Of course, it remains to be seen whether or not we get any more frost or snow or ice. But all of the plants seem to be behaving the same way, and they're early this year. There's still a week of January left, so this is really interesting.